What up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take you along the process of my project that I'm working on, and my project is a 1972 Chevy Nova. Enough of the chit chat, bro, and let's see my vehicle, man. Let's walk down here. So this is my project right here, baby. 72 Chevy Nova. She's got a little surface rust and whatnot. Damn, I'm trying not to slip in this mud. Damn, I'm trying not to slip in this mud. I'm pulling out tires out of the engine bay. I don't have the luxury of a nice garage. I'm out here on my grandpa's ranch in the middle of the field. My car has been sitting here for like 2 years because life, you've got bills and all kinds of things like that. Probably should have taken a little bit better care of it. So yeah, that's gonna put me back in the hole a little bit more, getting this thing prepped up. It's got a ton of work that needs to be done. First things first, get this thing moved up to the front and assess what needs to be done. Get all this junk out my engine bay, this tarp. And let's measure these frame mounts so we could get this thing rolling. Oh man, looks like a rat's nest. It looks rusty and dusty, but trust me, she cleans up nice. Oh, on the driver's side, I am having the hardest time of my life because it is muddy out here and your boy is slipping. I'm falling. I can't get up. 2 1/4. Okay. 2 1/4 on the mounts. Yeah. All right, man. Let me get this thing situated real quick. Yeah, man. So this is my rusty, dusty engine bay. She's not that bad. It's just a bunch of surface rust. I know it looks horrible because all this shit. You know, I had this covered up at one point, but out here, weather's just unpredictable. And plus, like I said, bro, unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of having a garage. So I got to make do with what I can. And, you know, I'm learning as I go. But we're going to get there. So, yeah. My whole transmission just sitting right here. Wow. What the? bro, I'm literally slipping as we're talking. Like I was saying before, I rudely slipped into this conversation. Well, I guess I gotta get a new trans. There's not a lot of younger guys that got these kind of cars that are interested in these kind of cars. If there are, they don't really put too much information out there or show too much about it. So hopefully this will inspire somebody around my age group or younger to get into these kind of cars. I got a lot to say about this kind of stuff, man, and hopefully it goes a long way for everybody. I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited. And let's do this. So what you think, man? Like,
Too much work.
too much work? You would have opted out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there you guys see. It's day one. Let's put a 4-cylinder in here. A lot of guys put like the whole LS situation in there. We won't be doing that. Shout out to you LS guys. It's cool, you know. It's just not my thing, man. I like the old school carbureted feel. Yeah, man. I'm really excited, guys. Like, I mean, if you're in my boots, you'll be excited too, because this has been a long time coming. Go in the comments and leave a comment. What do you think I'm gonna end up dropping in here? What do you think I'm gonna do with this? What do you think my plans are? I will tell you, as of right now, there's obviously no trans in there. It's back there in the swamp lands, so that has to get redone. I'm pretty sure I could plug it up and it'll be fine, but I'm not gonna do that. The rear end, I am running posi. If you could guess my gear ratio, I might reveal a little bit more. So go ahead and drop some comments in there. What do you think my plans for what I'm dropping in and my gear ratio? All right, man. I don't know who okayed this, which supervisor seen this and was like, yep, that's it. We're going to use that photo. Let's see. This is horrible. I got to show you guys this. Yeah, man. This, this is not okay. Look at my dude's neck. Okay. They did not.
Like a turtle.
Yeah, he probably. Oh my Lord. Come on, y'all. Who said this was cool? And you, my guy, you seen his picture and you said, yeah, that's the one. I want to use that too.
Like
you were in on this.
Typical safety guy activities.
Franklin, the safety advisor. So you guys see that little overspray thing right there?
Fucking
Look, you just,
like Easter.
it smells like Easter. Get a little, yeah, you get a little, look at it, there's no scratches on it whatsoever. And he cleans it right off.
Behind that shit.
Are you serious?
I didn't know you could clean them. I thought they were done for.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, man. Look, okay, so for those of you guys that are watching this right now, it's a little tip for you. If you have overspray on your windows, like me, don't replace your windows, man. All you gotta do, don't go with a razor either. You'll scratch your window and then you'll have to really replace them. So just get you some double gauge, 0, you know, the really fine stuff. They have, I think, whatever, I forgot which gauge it is. Oh, it's quad. Get that really fine steel wool and look at it. Just rub it across it, man. Look, rub it on there. You clean it off, good as new. Doesn't damage it, gets it right off. Get you some steel wool. There you go. That's my ride, it's my project. Hopefully you guys stay tuned, stay along the chorus, you know.
Man, I'm sicker than savages doing damage on the microphone, and every move I make be calculated till my mind is gone. I contemplated, felt underrated, but not for long. No competition in my composition like they writing wrong. I see the error in their margin when they writing songs, putting emphasis.